What if you could actually journal your everyday life without sitting down to write anything? Imagine being able to look back at the little moments you normally forget, like where did I leave my keys at? Where are my car keys at?
Your car keys were found inside the pantry door.
Or even those random family moments you wish you had captured. That's what makes the Looki L1 so interesting. It's a tiny wearable AI camera designed to help capture and organize moments throughout your day, almost like creating a visual journal of your life. Looki L1, it could take moments from your day and turn you and your family or friends into cartoon characters, create these fun little comic style memories. But if you're new to the channel, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if this is your first time or you just a returning person. Well, let's get right into the video. At first glance, the Looki L1 almost looked anything like vintage Omnitrix. It can capture 4K photos and record 1080p video at 30 frames per second. You also get 3 microphones, a built-in speaker, 32 gigs of storage, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and motion sensors that can help keep your footage stable, and an IP67 rating for water and dust resistance. That's a lot packed in something so small, but you think the hardware is something else. No, the real magic is with Looki's AI. Let's go ahead and get our day started. Instead of recording non-stop and leaving you with hours of footage nobody wants to sit through, the Looki L1 takes a smarter approach with something called story mode. In a way, it's constantly asking itself, is this the moment worth capturing? Then based on the setting you choose, it records short clips throughout your day instead of filming every single second. That means you can go about your day life normally, while Looki L1 quietly picks out moments in the background, and depending on how often it captures those clips, you can get roughly 9 to 13 hours of better life. I wore the Looki L1 around the house, took it outside, ran errands with it, and went about my day like a normal person. Eventually, you'll forget you're wearing it until you have to go to the bathroom and remember to turn the device off. Looki is great for capturing interesting moments, so you don't have to rush to grab your phone, unlock it, frame the picture, and take the shots. But recording your day is only one half of the experience. Once those clips make their way into the Looki app, the AI starts organizing everything for you. So instead of combing through a giant pile of random footage on your computer, the Looki L1 transforms your day into a timeline of events that occur. And that's not all it can do. It takes memory organization to a cartoonish vibe. Normally, if I wanted to create a video about my day, I'll have to record everything, transfer the footage, and watch every clip and find the good moments. Throw everything onto a timeline, add some music, edit, and export the video. Looki can take moments from your day and transform you and the people around you into these stylized cartoon characters. Seeing yourself and your family turn into comic book characters is fun, but imagine doing this on a family vacation, a birthday, a road trip, or just a random weekend. Suddenly, those ordinary moments become these AI-generated stories that you can look back on. And that's where this feature goes from feeling like a gimmick to actually being something pretty cool. Looki L1 has surprising good memory, so if you don't want to forget where you left your keys or your wallet, it can help you track them down. It can also answer questions about what you're looking at. I'll give you information about your surroundings, and even tell you things that are currently going on, like your temperature. Here's a few examples I want to show you guys. What kind of plant is this?
That looks like lantana, a flowering shrub with clusters of red, orange, and pink blooms.
Oh no, I can't find my wallet. Where did I leave it? I forgot.
You were planning to leave your Gucci wallet upstairs on the bed. If it's not there, check the pillow area and nearby clothes or nightstand.
There you go. It's right here on the bed. What's the current temperature outside?
It's about 88 degrees outside in Port Wentworth right now, and it feels closer to 96 to 97 degrees because of the humidity.
Also, if you want more intuitive answer, you can go to the app and be specific. After using Looki L1 for 2 weeks, I understand this is more of a companion to your mobile device or your camera, while the Looki catches memories is not meant to act like your primary camera and just take over. No, it's really designed for those everyday moments that happen so quickly. So if you don't think to pull out your phone, Looki more likely will catch it for you. Like, I remember it was a time where I wish I had this because I was inside my game room, doing some stuff, and my baby, she was crawling and stuff. And then inside her play yard, and next I know, I turned around and I saw her get up and started walking. I was just like, what? Like, and to this day, that was like 3 years ago now. To this day, I just wish I had a camera to video record, but you just don't know about those special moments. If I had this back then, this would have been perfect. But I'm just saying, though, it will catch those perfect moments for you. So that's why I think who this is for. Overall, this is an awesome device. If you want a daily log, store memories, the question is the cost. Well, the Looki L1 is $249.99. And I do have a special discount below, so all you got that will apply additional 5% off your purchase. So just look in the description below. I have that special discount code. Well, if you have any questions for me, please leave a comment below and just let me know. Let's have a conversation. Also, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like the video. If you're also a person who's been checking my videos out, look, you might as well head subscribe to the channel. Well, that's it for me, guys. Well, until next time, guys, I'll see you guys later.